Thanks. My name's Christopher McDaniel, and I'm going to show you how to use the Mastrena automatic espresso machine. First, we're going to go over the components of the machine. Here's your steamer wand, steamer handle, the espresso dispenser, coffee grinders. Here's the control panel. Come a little closer so you can see. You have a set for decaf and regular. The shot glasses indicate how many shots you want. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4, as well as regular. Here's the coffee grinder. You got regular and decaf. Decaf is smaller than regular. Most people love regular coffee. Espresso is a concentrated shot. It's round, pounded, just a shot. Okay. First thing you need, shot glasses. I'm going to put the shot glasses in the little holes right by the dispenser. I mean the strainer, I'm sorry. Lift up a little bit. Want to make regular shot, 1 cup, 1 shot. The reason why we're using 2, because it separates. The dispenser has 2 at the bottom. You just have to put that right there. 1 shot. The shot typically takes 10 to 15 seconds. Since it's automatic, it will tell you it's ready at the top on the control panel. Saying that it's ready. Caution, all components can be hot, so you want to use caution when it comes to using components of the Mastrena espresso. I'm going to talk about the espresso itself. It comes into 3 layers: the creamer, the body, which is darker, and the heart, which consists of the coffee bean roast flavor. You can use it to make coffee, latte, or you can just have it as a shot itself. Okay? Once you get done with it, you don't want the shots to sit no more than 5 to 7 seconds. So I'm going to put it right here. Since we're just showing, you don't have to go through the steps. Next, we're going to do a cleaning process. If you were to make a latte, you're going to clean warm. Make sure it's not hot. Since this is a self-cleaning, since Mastrena Espresso automatic, it's an automatic cleaner. Here's your 2 tablets to use when you're done with it, or overnight, however you see fit. I'm going to put it right back here behind the coffee machine, right? Not the coffee, the espresso machine, I'm sorry. Here's the grounds from each espresso shot you make. Here's the grounds. When you get done with this, you store them. Put them back here. You ready to go? Hi, my name is Chris. I just showed you how to make espresso using your Mastrena espresso maker.